true when I say so, say so, say so. Shoot it up, shoot it up.
Away, from the block. This shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get bored, niggas throwin' down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the fed around. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made it one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.
Show me something. My boy, show me something, man. We wanna see. You too, we outside, man. Yes, sir. My boy got that new motherfucker. You see what's going on? Yeah, that new motherfucker 21. Yeah, new trail bike. What that motherfucker is, tooth. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. That motherfucker really big though, man. My boy finna get these boys right, man. See these boys, what's going on. That boy say he got that power ready to get right. He finna get in there now. He said, man, when one of y'all boys gonna show me where one to go? Look, I know. We outside. Whole big ass park, no? Hey, no. So, hey, show us something, bro. Wanna see something?
I put my shit in the grass.
You been seeing me pop my shit all motherfucking day. I wanna see you. So you should learn something.
Hey, look. That's the lab of the day on that bitch.
Lab of the day. Y'all gotta turn my vlog on. Hey, man. Oh, shit.
See what I'm saying? That nigga don't know how to
JB, yes, sir.
Shit now learning.
Everybody peep that side. See on that motherfucker over there. I thought we were going to a video shoot. We end up at the park right now. Y'all know me, man.
But
we gonna get dog out this bitch.
Them brakes, bro, them shits don't, like, they don't slide.
That's not your bike?
Huh?
That's your bike, right?
That's both of our bikes.
Oh, yeah, you got used to it. What do you mean slide? That's what you want, skidding. You
It
want
don't
slide?
do it.
It don't? Oh, you gotta make sure it's skidding first.
Oh yeah.
You might have to
Somebody believe them.
Can't even see.
Yeah.
That boy say he in the field. He finna get right on your ass.
When I tap on that bitch,
He finna get right on bro ass.
Yeah.
He finna take off on your ass, boy. He in the field on your ass.
Bus stop.
He's like, bus stop. Y'all like that? You finna take out, but you been around all day. You finna let him outdo you right now. He just picked that bitch up a few times.
Jerking the bike, he might do it.
Oh man, bro, you better. Man,
I can pick that bitch up.
man, we want to see it, bro. Me and my 360 some subscribers want to see this shit. I see ya, little boy. I see ya, nephew. Rock finna show you something.
Rock finna throw that bitch.
Rock finna show him something. Dum. Show him how you do it, Rock. Show him how you do it, Rock. I say gonna show you how to do it, nigga. I'm gonna show you how to do it now. There it is. Look, there it is. There it is. It's coming on now. It's coming on now. he just gotta get it.
You got no power behind it.
So that's why you shouldn't be scared of that, bro. You see how high it coming up?
Nah, I'm picking that bitch. I picked it up higher than that.
Man, he ain't pick it up.
Cuz.
He picked it up higher than you, bro.
Cuz. Ain't I
Nah, cuz picked it up, got you beat, bro. Oh! So that's how you go with?
Yeah, down there.
That bitch up at the gate, that bitch went up like this. I said,
Yeah.
Like the brakes do feel fucked up on the door.
The brakes are fucked up, but you do
They
definitely.
fucked up. They new, ain't it?
No, you just got, all you gotta do is tighten this shit right here.
You got brakes on it? You got good brakes?
supplies with you?
No.
I'm finna try it out. Okay, we still at the park. Yeah, we waiting for these folks still for the video shoot. Let y'all see my boy Rock. Y'all see the vibe. My boy out there practicing, man, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know in the meantime between y'all, in the meantime, between time y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check them out. Good shot. Good cameraman, you know what I'm saying? That boy going crazy. But y'all know the vibes, man. We outside. But man, we gonna start doing tutorials, man. I'm gonna show y'all boy how to shift lock and drop back, how to get control of the bike. Check him out. Here you go. Here you go. There you go. Y'all see the vibe. Well, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna fuck around. I'm gonna show y'all. You know what? You know what? You know what? Tune in to the next video. It's gonna be like right now. But look. Hey, but listen. I don't even think he know how to shift lock. To be for real, he know how to shift lock, but he don't know how to shift lock. I'm finna stop and I'm gonna ask him, and I'm gonna tell him to shift lock. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all say, y'all like shit, come and subscribe, cause I'm finna end this video right here, and we finna goddamn see another one if he can show me how to shift lock. Alright, y'all, so boom. Y'all tune to the next video. It's over.
Shoot when I say so, shoot it up, shoot it up. I'm ready. It's really from a block away. Really from the block. Let this shit be like this every day. This shit be like this. Ain't not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get fucked, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimping bitches, you can fuck, she roll a panty down. I got killer young niggas with the 30 round. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made it one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.
Hey, yeah, we back. Look, so listen, this is the same video, okay? But it's another video. Same time, all that bullshit. You feel me? But if y'all know what's going on, y'all better look at this last video what's going on. But I don't know if I'm having no memory to goddamn really record for what's going on, cause we still waiting for this video shoot. But it might be dark and I might not have no light. So we're going to the hood to shoot. But I'm gonna add Rock the shift lock so he can show y'all how to shift lock. Then later on, I'll make a video. Check him out. Then later on, I guess, I ain't gonna promise y'all to say after the video, after this one, I'll make a video, but I'm gonna eventually do a tutorial. And I'm gonna show y'all how to for real do this shit. Like, I'm gonna give y'all the secret sauce, my secret sauce to this shit. Like, the sauce that nobody else know. Like, I ain't gonna say that nobody else know. Niggas know this shit, but you know, niggas ain't gonna try to give it to you. So like, and we'll get deeper into that shit. But I'm finna let Rock give y'all his breakdown of how he do the shit he do. You feel what I'm saying? So, you feel me? So he come, let y'all check him out, and y'all get y'all opinion if y'all think he nice or not. Yeah. Oh. And then look, just for y'all know, y'all might think like why he keep falling when he get up there, cause he really trying to take that curve. This is a steep, it's like a sharp edge curve that come around, that goes straight up there. Like he trying to, that's a big ass 450, that's a KX 450 now. You feel me? He trying to like learn the drop back to go around this curve. And shit, that's why he keep dropping. You know, he like I say, this what y'all really don't see when y'all see us out there popping our shit, doing what it is. Look like we just come squirt out the vagina like that. Nah, nigga really have to put in that work. Like, you know, we just waiting on it. We just got a little free time, so now he just practicing right here on the little strip we was doing. Yeah, check him out now. Hey, I need y'all to rate Rock on a scale from 1 to 10, man. Where he standing at, man. I'm gonna let him pop his shit like 3 more times, y'all. Then I'm gonna let him come tell y'all what he think. I mean, his opinions on shit, like. My boy can get nasty if you want to. Y'all be seeing him in the other video. Y'all don't, y'all, I can't get my shit right. If y'all ain't seen him pop his shit, look how you gonna pick it up. You gonna pick that bitch up, man. But if y'all ain't seen him pop his shit, y'all be gonna check my other videos out, man. Cause my boy, he hard, man. Look at him. And for a lot of people that motivational purposes. You know what I'm saying? Motivational purposes. My boy, he in his 40s, man. I ain't gonna put his exact age, but my boy out there in his 40s, man. I ain't even lying, man. And then, shit. Damn near old enough to be my dad. You feel me? Look, hear him out. Look, he's just now starting this shit, man. Huh? Don't play with it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. You see the vibe, man. Oh, you see the vibe. Put the feet over. Okay. So you know what I'm saying? That's motivational, man. So anybody can do this shit. So I'm gonna let y'all check this out. I'm gonna ask y'all, like, what's his advice? You know what I'm saying, on doing shit. So tap in.
I don't wanna drink,
Yeah.
I don't run Draco. I don't run Glock. Shoot when I say so. Shoot it up. Down the boiler. Get your head pop. Niggas in Glock. Nigga head drop.
I don't know about. Look like they got gates and shit. Oh. Got gates and shit. I'm gonna get in here. Shoot or some shit like this. And they told us somebody, okay, come right here. We good or not? Cause they got like a little video shoot or some shit like this. Huh? Yeah, that what I'm here for. Yeah, that what we here for. Yeah, look, it's a little paid video shoot. They bought that to come. We good though? No, we ain't gonna be out here long. We out here for like 10, 20 minutes. And we gone.
pussy get fucked, nigga gun her down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she roll a panty down. I got killer young niggas with the thread around. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. All it take is one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.